Hello, in this lesson we'll be looking at surface area of pyramids. To start with, what is a pyramid? A pyramid is a shape, a 3D shape basically, like this one that I have on the board here. And to find the surface area of a shape like this, we calculate the surface area of each of the faces and then add up everything together. So I have this pyramid. This example here is a rectangular base pyramid. You have other types of pyramid like square base pyramid and triangular base pyramid. But this one I have on the board here is a rectangular base pyramid. So to find the area of a pyramid like this, calculate the area of the rectangular base. Let me call the base here. Also calculate the area of this triangle here, this triangle on the right hand side, let me call it R. And then the triangle on the left hand side, also calculate the area. Then we'll calculate the area of the triangle in front and then the area of the triangle at the back, let me call it B. So area of the base plus area of the left triangle plus the area of the front triangle plus the area of the right triangle and the area of that triangle at the back. When we add up all of them together, that will give us the total surface area of this very pyramid. So what do I mean? Area of base, the base is rectangle and area of rectangle is length times breadth. While the triangle on the left hand side and the right hand side are exactly the same. So area of left and right triangle, we know that area of a triangle is R times base times height. And two of them, let me multiply it by 2, this and this. Then area of the front triangle and that of the back triangle, area of front and back triangle is equal to half times base times height. Again multiply by 2 since there are 2 there. So by the time we calculate all of this and add everything together, that will give us the total surface area of this pyramid. Let's go and take some examples. I have some examples here, but in this case, my pyramid here are triangular base pyramid. So how can we get their area? Let me label it. Let me call this one A. I call this B. This C. This one D. E. And then F. For the first triangle, which is A there, triangle A, I have the base here is triangle. So area of base triangle, area of base is equal to half base times height, half times base times height, which is 1/2 times the base is 9 inches. 9, the height is 8 inches right there, times 8. 2 here 1, 2 here 4. 9 times 4, 36 inches square. That is the area of the base. Then we have one triangle here. We have another one right here. Then we have another one right at the bottom. So the 3 of them are the same. They are all equilateral triangle. This pyramid here is made up of equilateral triangle. So the base of this triangle and the remaining 2 that are hidden, the base is equal to this 9 inches here. So this is an equilateral triangular pyramid. To have area of the three triangles is equal to 3 multiplied by half base times height. Base times height, that is the three of the triangles there. And that will give us 3 multiplied by the base is 9, like I said earlier, times, half there first. Let me rewrite that. Half times 9 times the height. The height is 12 inches in this case, times 12. 3 here, 2 here, 2 here is 6. 9 times 6 is 50, 54. 54 times 3. Need to use a calculator for that. (54) times 3 is 162. The 162 inches square. Therefore, surface area of this pyramid will be area of the base, which is 36. 36 plus area of the three triangle, which is 162. 36 plus 162 plus 36, 198. 198 inches square is the area of this triangular based pyramid. That is that for A. Now let's move on to B. Excuse me. For B, again, is a triangular based pyramid. The base is an equilateral triangle. So this base here, this is the base of this triangle. The base is equal to 15. All the sides of this triangle are equal. It's an equilateral triangle. So the base here is 15. So half the area of base is equal to half times base times height. That will be half times the base, which is 15, times the height. The height is right here, 13 yards, times 13. 15 times 13 divided by 2. Let me use a calculator. 15 times 13 and divided by 2. That is 97.5. 97.5 yard squared. That is the area of the triangular base. Now let's calculate the area of this remaining triangle here. This one right here, the one behind here, and the one right here. They are all the same type of triangle because this pyramid is made up of equilateral triangle. So area of the three triangle will be area of the three triangles is equal to 3 times area of one triangle, which is half, times base times height. So the three of them will be 3 times the base. Like I said, the triangle is equilateral, so this base here is the same base here, which is 15 yards. Multiplied by 15. Then the height of those triangles is 16 yards. It's right here, 16. Multiply by 16. Oh, I did not put half here. I omitted this, so let me write it here times half. Okay, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 8. Now 8 times 15. 8 times 15. Then divided by, multiply by 3 times 3. 360. 360 yard square. Therefore, area or surface area rather of the pyramid will be the area of the base plus the area of the three triangles, which is 97.5 plus 360. 97.5 plus 360, 97.5. That is 457.5 yard square. Okay, that is that for question B. Now let's move on to C. C, here is the base of the pyramid, and it's a triangular base, an equilateral triangle. The base of the triangle is 11 feet, the height is 10 feet. So area of the base, let's get that first. Question C, area of the base is half times base times height, which is half times the base. There is 11 and the height is 10. 11 times 10. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. 11 times 5 is 55 feet square. Then for the other triangle, this triangle right here, the one that is hidden here, and the one beneath, the three of them are the same. They are all equilateral triangles. Their basis is the same base here, which is 11 feet. The height is 9 feet. So area of the three triangles will be area of the three triangles will be 3 multiplied by half times base times height, which is 3 multiplied by half times the base. What is their base? 11 feet, and their height is 9 feet. 11 times 9. 11 times 9. 11 times 9 is 99. 99 times 3, then divided by 2. 99 divided by 2, then multiply by 3. 148.5. 148.5 is the area of the three triangles. Therefore, surface area of the pyramid will be the area of the base, which is 55, plus the area of the three triangles, which is 148.5. So 55 plus 148.5. 55 plus 148.5 is 203.5. 203.5 feet square. That is the area of that pyramid, the surface area. Then D, again, here is the base of D. The base is a equilateral triangle again, and since it's a equilateral triangle, is 7 yard here, it's the same 7 yard here. The height of this triangle is 6 yard. So let's get the base. That is question D. D, area of base is equal to half times base times height, which is half times, what was the base? The base is 7 yard and the height is 6. With 7 times 6, 2 here 1, 2 here 3. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 yard square. And for the three triangle, this triangle right here, this one by the side here, and the one that is down, of the base is 7, because the triangles are equilateral triangle, but their height is 10. So 7 times 10, area of the three triangle, of the three triangle, 3 times half times base times height, which is 3 times half, 7 and 10. I think that was the dimension there. Yes, 7 and 10. Okay. 2 year 1, 2 year 5. 7 times 5, 35. 35 times 3. 35 times 3 is 105 also. Yes, 105. 105 feet. Is it feet or yard? Yard square. Therefore, surface area of the pyramid will be 21 plus 105. That will be 126 yard square. Okay, that is our for question D. Let's move on to E and then F. Let me adjust this one down so I have space to work with. For E, we have the triangle, or the base is also a triangle, and it's an equilateral triangle. So this base of the angle or the triangle is 16 feet, while the height is 14 feet. The area of the triangular base, area of triangular base, which is half times height times base times height, will be half. The base there is 16 and the height is 14. So 16 times 14. 2 year 1, 2 year 8. 8 times 14. 8 times 14 is 112. 112. What is a unit? The unit is feet. Feet square. Ft square. Now area of the remaining three triangles is 3 times half times base times height, which is 3 times half times their base. Their base is 16 feet and their height is 19 feet. 16 times 19. 16 times 19. 2 year 1, 2 year 8. They have 8 times 19. 8 times 19. Then times 3. Times 3. 456. 456 feet square. Now, surface area of the pyramid, therefore, is area of the base, which is 112, plus area of the three triangle, which is 456. 456. 112 plus 456 is 468. 568 rather. 568 feet square. That is a surface area of that pyramid. The last one, which is F, again is a triangular base pyramid with a base of 18 inches. This actually the base of this triangle, but since it's an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So this base too is 18 inches, while the height is 16 inches. So 18 by 16. Area of base, let's work it here. This question F. Area of base, triangular base, is half times base times height, which is half times 18 times 16. I think that was the values. Yes, 18 and 16 as the height. 2 here gone, 2 here, 8. 8 times 16. 8 times 16 is 128. 128, what is the unit? The unit is inches. Inches square. That is that for the base. Now let's calculate the area of the three triangles. Area of the three triangles is 3 times 1 over 2 times the base times the height. All the triangles are the same. They are equilateral triangle. This triangle right here, this one, and the one down. So what is their base? Their base is 18 inches. Their height is 17 inches. 18 by 17. 3 times 1 over 2 times 18 times 17. That will be 3 times 2 here 1, 2 here 9. I actually made a mistake here. 18 divided by 2 is 9, not 8. This is supposed to be 9. So 9 times 16, let me correct this. So 9 times 16 right there. 9 times 16 is 144. 144 inches square. Okay, now back to this one. 9 times 7 times 3. 9 times 7. 9 times 7. 9 times 3 is 189. 189 inches square. So the surface area of the pyramid will be area of the base, which is 144, plus area of the three triangle, which is 189. 144 plus 189 plus 144, that is 333. 33 inches squared. And that brings us to the end of that